Welcome back now to Primetime Sports Monday. Now, legendary former Jamaican sprinter Donald Quarry says increasing the number of athletes who are members of the JAAs must be a priority for the new administration. Quarry lost in his quest to become president of local track and field's governing body on Saturday. Reports suggest that less than 20% of the nation's athletes are voting members of local track and field's governing body. And though a few national representatives could be seen placing their votes at the weekend, Quarry says far more athletes need to be engaged.
Most of our former athletes are not members of the JAAs because they don't know how to become members. I became a member in 2004, long after I'd stopped running. Nevertheless, it's something that we need to do to include them, because why do we have them compete for us? And when it comes to administration, when it comes to decision, they don't play a role.
It is former Honorary Secretary Garth Gale who will assume leadership of the JAAs following a resounding victory at the National Arena on Saturday. His team includes Leroy Cook, who will serve as Director of Records, having staved off a close challenge from Wayne Long. Cook says during his previous term in the role, the association made tremendous strides in digitizing timekeeping equipment.
We have also, over the last 2-3 years, included technology surrounding field events. That's something, measurements of field events. That is one of the things that, has been lagging behind for some time, but, we are now there where we have quite a few trained personnel and we have enough equipment to, cover the meets that we need to.
And Gale's new executive can be assured of support from the Jamaica Olympic Association, according to President Christopher Samuda.
Sport must be placed high, and it must, of course, determine whatever decisions that we make. And therefore, this new executive that has come into being, we will give them support as an apex body. Track and field has a very distinguished record in the sporting annals of Jamaica, and we want to maintain that. And therefore, the JAAA will, of course, support, as we have been doing over the years, the JAAs. And we look for a new dispensation that a new executive now has been elected. And we will work tirelessly with them to ensure that we maintain that glory that the sport has brought us in the past.
Gale will serve a 4-year term as president.